Welcome back. And yeah, man, this is learning cover music here, people, So I have some questions today about, I've been having, I just got a email earlier telling me I need to update my Waves plugin. So when I update it now, I realized that they have a implement of something called Studioverse. I don't know if you guys ever use it, but it's from Waves plugins. It's Studioverse. It's like the biggest online preset library of audio and instruments and string. Seeing when you click on browse, it takes it to a different future. These are the top people right now on Waves plugin Studioverse where you can access the presets. All these guys them inside our Waves Studioverse. See, they are vocal, they are mastering, they are electric guitar. Basically, it's like you don't have to do anything but use their preset and you should get results after you use them. So today now I get like a couple of weeks ago someone sent me a DUBPLATE from an artist called Skelly Bang, Crocodile Teeth. See, he asked me to put them on a rhythm, but I never really get it. So let me test out this vocal today because Skelly Bang have a unique voice, You have to know how to mix him to get him to song right, See, right now we're using Studio One. We have the track inside of Studio One, So right now I have the track here and an instrumental now, The instrumental is 106, Well, you can see the tempo is 106, So and the DUBPLATE here and the instrumental. I don't want to play the song name because I know how it is. People like to feel like when they play the song name, it's like they're violating them now, So I cut out the part of the song name, You can't really tell after I cut it out, So I just had the rhythm, but then I'm going to play the rhythm first so they can get familiarized, So I'm going to just play the instrumental first, so now they can get a feel of the rhythm. And then if you know that beat, it's like an Afro beat, Yeah, man, I like the bounce, The melody sound good, The melody on the rhythm sound wonderful. Yeah. Yeah, man, and I like how this song, Yeah. Pop. Let me bring in the vocal now.
Run up and see, we psychonated. Me go there whippy beard with the care and the sick in here. Me ne care shot ricochet people face like BPM chat a beat in a people brain. Them feel say you're afraid. Shot angle a face if them ramp with your brain. With be a chapstick. We no know badness how we a top striker. Don't ask way. Ops, man, dip on the road and see. We full of AK, be a madness. Clear way when the
yeah, man, yeah. All you know Skelly Banks is the name of the track called Crocodile Teeth. And I'm using an instrumental here now, So it's a copyright free instrumental. And the DUBPLATE is Skelly Banks Crocodile Teeth. So let's get into the plugin now, We just drag the plugin. We're using Studio One, we drag the plugin insert the plugin onto the 2-track, onto the vocal. So I'll show you how the plugins are about. After you load up, it takes a little while to load up now, because it's pulling from Waves database now, And I already log into the, the only way this plugin gonna work, you gotta log in with your account. See? So I don't want to show you my account because, I'm not the highest DJ Rambo. But go on Waves or they could check them out, And look how the presets them here. Start with mastering, drums, if you're doing drums. If you're doing vocal, you're doing vocal. If you're doing hip-hop, you're doing R&B, pop, bass, guitar, everything in one, So right now, we're going to be dealing with vocals right now. We just click the vocals, and all the vocal presets going to come up. This guy here, have you just seen the guy on the website? We just saw the guy on the website, This guy here, I don't know his name. Lou Diaz, I guess he's the top vocal man right now. And then after the second person is Preston Reed. And then after I saw this guy on YouTube named Sean Divine. You know what I mean? He do some nice presets on the internet, or you can check him out too now, you know. All these guys, they have it inside of this stuff, you know. So let's go back to the waves, back to Studio One. And if you're using Studio One, you can just press this icon here to keep the thing on the thing now, you know. Keep the studio verse on set. So you could choose a preset. So right now we're gonna choose Kodak Black right now from Lou Diaz. You know what I mean? When you choose the preset for the first time, it's gonna download. When it download, it should appear on the right side, you know. See how the part is, so it download, and then after it come onto the stuff. This is all it. If you have the plugins installed, it will show up. If you don't have the plugins installed, you won't get a red. So you know what I mean? So you can't do nothing for that if it have a red. But right now I have most of these plugins installed. I purchased most of them. I spent close to $1,800 in this plugin, you know. So that's why I say that when people link me and they want professional work and professional song, they guarantee that the vocal and the rhythm, everything is song flush when they play back in the dance. You know what I mean? That's why most people, when they hear my mix on the internet now, they love it. They have no choice but to come to me. See? So yeah, so I spend a lot of money in plugins and stuff now because I just love it, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we're gonna just play the vocal by itself. You know what I mean? Because we just play the vocal. So we're just gonna play the vocal dry first, you know what I mean? Before you hear the plugin in action.
Be a chapstick. No badness, how we a top striker. Don't ask me.
Right? Now listen to the plugin on now, people. And I want to stay in about 15 minutes here with this video. So listen to how it sounds.
Box, my dip on the road dancing. We full of your care. Be a madness. Clear way when the G car sing. We clip Ramo, the key and I eat. I'm not doing but that be a tag. Is it? Then none no badness. We clip full of crocodile teeth.
I really like how that one song so far. You know what I mean? Yeah, I like how that one song. Yeah. You know what I mean? I like how that one song. Yeah, let's go down to vocal. Let's try a different vocal here. See? Let me see if they have groove. The artist say groove. Let me see if they have groove. Alright, let's try groove vocals, you know. Try. Alright, Guru is a producer from Jay-Z. You know what I mean? He makes, you know what I mean, Jay-Z, one of Jay-Z producer. He say, right now they're saying vocal Fox blueprint from Jay-Z, you know what I mean? So this guy here, I guess he's mixed with Jay-Z and his vocal should be sounding nice. Let's listen to it, you know what I mean? Before.
Boy dead and we reach 16 burn up them kid. Head tap bust up and split. Say your bad pussy will run up and see. Will psych on a rotted. Miggle dear whippy beard with the care and the zig sick in here. Me the care shot ricochet people face like BPM chat a beat in a people brain. Them feel say you're afraid. Chat angle a face.
Yeah, I like how this song, you know.
With be a chapstick. No badness, how we a top striker. Don't ask way. Box, my dip on the road dancing. We full of your care. Be a madness. Clear way when the G car sing. We clip Ramo, the key and I eat.
Yeah.
Do one but that be a tag.
Like this song.
Is it? Then none no badness. We clip full of crocodile teeth. Boy dead and we reach 16 burn up them kid. Head tap bust up and split. Say your bad pussy will run up and see. Will psych on a rotted. Miggle dear whippy beard with the care and the zig sick in here. Me the care shot ricochet people face like BPM chat a beat in a people brain.
Yeah man, I heard the song, you know what I mean? The vocal of the song is flush now. Listen, without.
Chatangle a face if them ramp with your brain. With the chapstick.
Song look at behind now. Look at all the behind. Look at the vocal song in front now.
Don't ask way. Box, my dip on the road dancing. We full of your care. Be a madness. Clear way when the G car sing.
It's a little bite, you know.
Listen,
with the SSM song. Just pull it down, threshold. See, listen. Yeah, I like how it's sung in the biting, you know.
Me go there whippy beard with the gear and the zig sick in here. Me the gear shot ricochet people face like BPM shot a beat in a people brain.
Yeah.
Them feels say you're afraid. Shot angle a face if them ramp with your brain.
Let's back off on the reviews a little bit. No, there's a CLE. Lord.
We a top striker. Don't ask way.
Bring it down a little bit.
My dip on the road dancing. We full of your care. Be a madness. Clear way when the G car sing. We clip ram up the key and I
yeah, I like how this song, you know. I don't really mess with these things here, you know. I don't really mess with these plugins here. This stuff here, I don't really mess with. I don't mess with the plugin itself, you know, like the plugin goes for you. This is wave tunes, like kind of quirky voice now, you know.
Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy will run up and see. We psychonated.
I don't really understand. I just play with it. I just put G and stuff, you know.
And the zig sick in here. Me the key shot ricochet people face like BPM shot a beat in a people brain.
Yeah, this song is.
Them feels say you're afraid.
Before?
Shot angle a face if them ramp with your brain.
So it sounds like the vocal behind the rhythm. Now we need the vocal to be in front of the rhythm now.
Don't ask way. Box, my dip on the road dancing. We full of your care. Be a madness. Clear way when the G car sing. We clip ram up the key and I hit. I'm not doing but that be attack. Is it? Then none no badness. We clip full of crocodile teeth. Boy dead and we reach. 16 burn up them kid. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy will run up and see.
Yeah.
The psychonated.
So tough.
Me go there whippy beard with the gear and the zig sick in here. Me the gear shot ricochet people face like BPM shot a beat in a people brain. Them feels say you're afraid. Shot angle a face if them ramp with your brain. No badness how we a top striker. Don't ask way. Box my dip on the road dancing. We full of your care. Be a madness. Clear way when the G.
Listen to this. We just bringing the black crow into shape, you know.
Is it? Then none no badness. We clip full of teeth. Boy dead and we reach. 16 burn up them kid. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy will run up and see. We psychonated. Me go there whippy beard with the gear and the zig sick.
Yeah, man, this song and clean people, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Yeah, I like how this song, you know what I mean? The studio voice. I will be using this in more projects, you know what I mean? But yeah, the name of the plugins I used was the preset was from Guru Vocal Chain, Vocal Blueprint. This is a Jay-Z album from back in the day, and look how that song in on Skelly Bang voice, you know what I mean? So anybody that need me to like mix one of the dub, send it split, and I'll definitely mix it for you. And if you wanted like to put it on the internet without putting out your dub name, yeah, tell me that in my email and let me know how it's sung, you know what I mean? So we roughly did it under 15 minutes and we did using studio voice, you know what I mean? So have a blessed evening everybody, you know what I mean? Have a like and subscribe, you know what I mean? Yeah, have a happy Memorial weekend, you know what I mean? Don't drink and drive people, you know what I mean? Yeah, bless.